Hey, today we're going to open one of the Transformers called Autobot Ratchet. Howdy, I'm Wayne. Thanks for joining me. We picked up another Transformer here. This one's called Autobot Ratchet. We're going to open it up, show you how it works, see what he can do, okay? Looks like he opens up, transforms into a, looks like a bus maybe? See? Okay, let's get started and see what we can do with it. Let's see what we can do here. Pretty good looking little Transformer. There's the back side. Open and closed. Okay. Here he is. Yep, there he is. Looks like instruction manual. All right. Very elaborate instruction manual. Okay. Let's see if we can close him up into his transformed vehicle here. That goes up there. Goes up there. Right there. Okay. Close him together. Let's see. Oh yeah, it comes around here like this. Okay. Same thing right there. There it is. Guess that's a bus or something. Alright, I think it's time to open him back up now. Just do everything backwards. There he is. All right. There it is. We'll see you next time.